Okay guys, today I'm going to be making an egg carton into little mini bar stools for my dollhouse, and I thought it'd be a really interesting video because a lot of the stuff I bought online to make dollhouse furniture out of just didn't work, and this is customizable and it's really cheap, like free, free, yeah. Duh. And so, yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so first project, not really, but I already made a island counter for my kitchen, and I want to make some bar stools. And so the idea is, we're going to take one of these, cut it out, and then put a little round thing, maybe square, probably round though, yeah. And then cut this out for legs, and then spray paint. So it should turn out super cute, but we shall see. I just realized as I was sitting here, this lump of blankets isn't just a lump of blankets. Where is his face? Oh, his face. Oh. He's so sweet. It's his favorite blanket, and he won't have anything but the fleece blankets. That was just not cozy enough, huh? Okay, so this is the chair after I have finished cutting it out. And if you see, it's still just that same thing, but I've cut it out. So I'm going to cut out maybe 2 more of these. I don't think I'll need more than that. Maybe only 1. And then I'm going to spray paint them with teal spray paint because, you know, teal is gorgeous. I'm still on the edge about the tops of the stools, if they're going to be metal spray paint, like probably copper, because I love me some copper, or just, you know, white, but we'll see. Okay, so this is the finished product. I used a high gloss teal on the bottom and just a silver on the top because I didn't end up having copper, but I think they turned out super cute. What I was going for was like a little like aluminum kind of chair, and I think I got it. And if the teal doesn't end up matching my theme, I'll just paint the whole thing aluminum because, you know, why not? But I like the teal right now. And the top of the chairs are just this part of the egg carton cut off, and it fits perfectly. It even like nestles into this round part. And so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all later.